Alright everybody, we just went over the debate topic again. We are going to do study abroad, okay? Do you believe we should study abroad?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to hand out some research sheets, okay? Here's your research sheets. You guys remember what groups you're in?
Yeah, I'm with Danny.
Okay, your group's over here, your group's over here, okay? Now let's just quickly go over the research sheet. Up here, put the debate topic, so studying abroad, okay? And then your team's position, for or against. Okay, so you guys will be for, you guys will be against, okay? Next, when you do your research, you need to research facts supporting your position and then also against your position. So are you only researching facts for?
No,
No, what are you doing?
thinking of things they will see.
Good. You're thinking of both sides of the argument when you do your research. Okay? So step 2, you're going to prioritize your arguments and anticipate or predict what the other team will say. So in this section here, you're going to write down your top 3 arguments. Which is the strongest argument, next strongest, final argument.
So in research, how many arguments do we need?
Good. So in this part here, you should come up with as much as possible, but you want to have your top 3 to talk about.
So we come up with maybe 10, but then pick 3 best ones.
Your 3 top, yes.
Okay.
Okay? Then supporting details, so any details you think are necessary here. In this section, okay, you're going to predict what they are going to say about your position. So what do you think their strongest arguments will be? Okay? Same thing, you guys will do the same for them. And then some supporting details. Next, you're going to
Sure, what if we pick one that they don't say?
Then that's okay. That's alright. That's totally fine.
Do we
But
still say it in the debate?
no.
Oh.
No. What if you pick something that they don't say, it's just you're prepping yourself, okay? So you need to be able to listen, take notes, which we'll go over in a bit, okay? And then be able to respond. All right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, step 3, you're going to draft your arguments. What does that mean?
Right.
Good. So you're going to take your top 3 arguments here, and you're going to create an opening statement, a second argument statement, and a closing statement. Yes.
So here, notes and now sentences.
Yes. Sentences, full sentences. Okay. Good. This is for supporting your position. In this second section here.
Whoa.
Okay. Now, using the arguments that you predicted against your position, you are going to write 3 counter arguments. Okay? So what does that mean? What that means is if you think they are going to say something against your position, you're going to write 3 arguments.
Like last time we come to class, you teach us the
Rebuttal.
rebuttal.
Exactly.
This is the rebuttal.
This is the rebuttal here.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, so you're going to use this section to write your rebuttals. Okay? I will be the moderator. Alright? What we need as well is you guys are going to take notes while the debate is happening. So the against team and the for team, you'll have one person who's going to take notes throughout the debate.
Why?
Why?
I want to listen.
Okay, so you all are going to listen. Okay, you're going to listen, but it's important to write down notes from what the other team is saying so you can have a proper rebuttal. Remember we learned about rebuttals in the last class? If you don't listen to the other team, okay, you can't write a proper rebuttal. All right? So
we write and then speak.
yes, correct. So what will happen during the debate is, let's say team 1 here is speaking, and they say their opening statement. This team is listening, taking notes, and then they will have time, 1 minute, okay, to come together and actually give you a proper rebuttal using the information you said. Okay, so are we going to speak right after each other?
No.
No. What is this team going to do while you're speaking?
Right.
Taking notes. Good. Then how much time do you have to respond?
1 minute.
1 minute. Good. And you're going to say what? A rebuttal. Good.